Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, northwestern Champaign County, southeastern Darke County, Miami County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piqua, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Troy, Piqua, Tip City, West Milton, Covington, Pleasant Hill, Laura, Fletcher, Potsdam, Casstown, Ludlow Falls, Lockington, Rosewood, Carysville, Ballou, Plattsville, Farrington, and Grayson. This includes Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 68 and 88. Here is the